In this video, we will discuss about Ampere's circuital law. According to this law, the line integral of a magnetic field around a closed loop is equal to mu naught times the total charge. In this video, we will discuss about Ampere's circuital law. According to this law, the line integral of a magnetic field around a closed loop is equal to the mu naught times the total current line threading this loop. So mathematically we will write it like this one. The line integral, so it is integral and it is line, that is dl, of a magnetic field around a closed loop. So line integral of a magnetic field around a closed loop is equal to the mu naught times the total current threading the loop. For example, I am having these current lines which are passing from down to up. Now from the down to up. Now I made any closed loop, that is shown by this one line. Then I will calculate the product of B dot dl at each and every point. Then we observe that the B dot dl will always be equal to mu naught times how much current line which are cutting this loop. So I am having this as a loop and these current lines are cutting this loop. So this part is outside this loop, so it will not contribute. So the total current which is threading the loop is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So here this is your Ampere's circuital law. Ampere's circuital law is valid for all cases, but it is useful for symmetrical cases. So that we will discuss. So here the first of all, we are going to use this Ampere's circuital law to find out the magnetic field because of infinitely straight conductor. So I am choosing here, this is my infinitely straight conductor having a current I. Let P be the point at a perpendicular distance R from this current carrying wire. Now according to the Ampere's circuital law, the line integral of a magnetic field is equal to mu naught times the total current line threading the loop. So to apply the Ampere's law, I should choose a closed loop. So I will choose a symmetrical loop. I will choose a symmetrical circular loop around this wire where we want to calculate the B dot dl. So I will choose any small length of this part. So take this length as a dl. Now the magnetic field because of this infinitely straight conductor at this point is given by right hand thumb rule. That is, if thumb is in the direction of current, curling of finger give you the direction of magnetic field lines. So see here. So you can see here, thumb is in direction of current, curling of finger give you a direction of. So here you can see that this is the direction of current, curling of finger give you a direction of magnetic field lines. So direction of magnetic field line is along this direction. So the direction of magnetic field is along this direction. This is the direction of magnetic field, and we know the length is also along this direction. So both are in same direction. So we can say that B dot dl is equal to BdL, because cos 0 is 1. So if you put the value, so what we got? BdL is equal to mu naught into I. BdL, line integral around a closed loop, is equal to mu naught into I, total current lines threading the loop. So here, since this loop is symmetrical, as it is equidistant from this wire, so the magnetic field at each and every point of this length will be same. So I will take it outside the integral. So B close integral dl is equal to mu naught into I. So here, what is this? Total integral means total, dl means length. Total length around a closed loop. So what is the total length of this closed loop? It is nothing but it is a circumference, that is 2 pi r. So it becomes B into 2 pi r is equal to mu naught into I. So from here you can see that the magnetic field, because of this infinitely straight conductor, is equal to mu naught I divided by 2 pi small r. So this is your magnetic field because of the infinitely straight conductor. So from here you can see that the magnetic field is inversely proportional to the distance. So it is a linearly dependent on the distance. And if you draw the magnetic field lines for the case of infinitely straight conductor, then it will look like this one, and it will be like this one. If thumb is the direction of current, curling of finger give you the direction of magnetic field lines. So like this one, thumb is the direction of current, curling of finger give you direction of magnetic field lines. So these are the direction of magnetic field lines. If suppose, for example, to understand more this Ampere's circular law, suppose I am having, this is your 5 ampere current, this is your 6 ampere current, and here it is 3 ampere current, and this is our loop, closed loop. So what should be the value of the line integral of magnetic field? Let us suppose this is your